Hello, in this video I will show you how to change email address and phone number in OKX. Now it's a very easy process. So open a browser where you have your OKX account. Now once you're in your account, just simply go to your profile right over here. Then click on the security tab right over here. After that, if you scroll down, you will find the authentication method option. And right over here you will have your phone number and email address. Now in order to change them, you will see option of change phone number and change email. Now if you want to change both of them, just going to start with the email. And after that, go to the phone number. So I'm going to show you how to change the email. After you know that, you can just simply change your phone number. The process will be exactly same. So what you have to do is click on the change email option and then right over here. The first thing that you do is you have to fill up your new email address right over here. Now after that, click on send code. Now a verification code has been sent to you on your new email address that you just added right over here. So this is the email that I just got. All you have to do is just simply copy this code and go back to OKX and paste it right over here. Now once you've completed that part, the next thing that you have to do is you have to click on send code right over here. And now this is going to send a verification code on the existing email that your account is linked currently. So click on that option and a verification code has been sent to your current linked existing account. And then just enter your code over here as well. And now in the end, click on the send code option for phone authentication. So this will send a verification code to your phone number that is currently linked. So just simply wait for a few seconds. And then once you receive your code, just simply enter that. And in the end, all you will do is click on confirm. And just like that, your email address have been changed, as you can see right over here. Now, just simply follow the same process in the phone verification as well. Enter your new phone number, then an authentication code will be sent to your currently existing account. And lastly, an authentication code will be sent to your currently linked account. After you complete this part, click on confirm and you're good to go for the phone number as well. So, that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.